Question 12 takes us straight back to algebra, fractions, and a bit of expansion to do. Everything in the bracket is affected by the fraction 2 over 3. So this breaks down to 64 raised to the power 2 over 3 multiplied by p to the 9 raised to the power 2 over 3 multiplied by q to the 12 also raised to the power 2 over 3. We can split the 2 over 3 into two operations. 64 times a third, which is then squared. I'll work that one out in a minute. These two are actually easier. P raised to the power 9, which itself is multiplied by 2 over 3. The 3 goes into the 9 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. So this turns out to be p to the 6. Same here. The 3 goes into the 12 4 times, multiplied by 2. So this is multiplied by q to the 8. And this is equal to 64 raised to the power of a third means the cube root of 64, which is 4. 4 squared is 16. So this is equal to 16, and then we copy and paste the rest. 16 times p to the 6th times q to the 8. And that's your answer. In part B, we've got 3 fractions with an x, so algebraic fractions, and we need to pop them into the simplest form. So we first of all need them all on a common denominator. What will that common denominator be? Well, we've got an x, obviously. So we need a number that both 3 and 5 and 10 goes into. 3 and 5, the number, if they were on their own, the number would be 15, but we've got a problem here, we've got a 10. And the lowest number that all of them go into will be 30. So we've just got to do the routine. 3x into 30x goes 10 times. 10 times 2, 20. So the next one, 5x goes into 30x 6 times. 6 times 4, 24. 10x goes into 30x 3 times. 3 times 9, 27. So this is negative 27. And this is equal to 17 over 30x. And as 17 is a prime, that ain't going anywhere. So this is your answer. So part C. Leaving the 4x out of it for the moment, let's expand these brackets. And we get 4x and a bracket, 2x squared. I've got a negative 10x here and a positive 3x, which makes negative 7x. And then the last one, negative 15. Now we've just got to multiply all the terms by 4x. And we get 8x cubed minus 28x squared minus 60. And if I've done the arithmetic right, that will be the answer.